Shout out to you, Romel. My relation with you is not like rain, which comes and goes away. My relation is like air, sometimes silent but always around you. Hi, Crazy Lorraine. When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare and compete, everyone will respect you. Shout out Bisaya. Kanang lamig kay ka mahigugma, nya lamig bagid ka. Hi Mera. By being yourself, you put something wonderful in the world that was not there before. Shout out sa atong club team karon.